taking the video. Ta-da! It's working, I think. Oh, you want me to take a paddle?
No.
That means I gotta hold this thing. Okay. Okay, you paddle. Ta-da! Tony, you're doing a good job. Yay! This is fun. I like this thing.
Get down. You're supposed to be paddling.
No, Toadie's got it. Oh, you're beating us. We gotta hurry up and catch up to them now. Toadie, hurry. You're going sideways. He's an experienced canoe driver. Go, 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 go. Hey, Dad, look. Over here, I could put this in here somehow. I don't know how, but put it there. Look at that. I know, I can. Let me put it here. And then tilt the camera. Let's see if I can see it. Woo, just like looking here. Let me see. Whoa, no, that's that way. Let's see if I can really get it this way. Oh, I need like a strap on here to hold it on. Anybody got some rope? I could tie this up right there.
Ho, ho, ho!
I can use it now, but look, see, Dad? Right there, if I put that on there. So I would hold it on there. Don't rock the canoe so it doesn't wibble. Sorry, it's doing good. Maybe if I put it down lower. Let's see. That'll work. Alright, it says it's got a oh, you know what, I don't have the balance thing tilted on. That's what I don't have. Can you give me my glasses so I can see?